This is Tom. Tom sells the most beautiful shoes in the world. He first started selling them on his online shop. But then, the business started growing fast and he expanded. During the last couple of months, he discovered how hard staying ahead of demand can be. He sold all products during the first 3 weeks, and it was too late for reordering more. He soon realized the reason was a poor demand estimate. His prediction analysis was wrong. Struggling to find the right solution, he finally got rid of his complex spreadsheets and discovered Intuendi. Intuendi is an easy-to-use software which sped up Tom's inventory management process and carried it out at the highest quality level. Tom now knows which products are at a stockout risk, when it is the right time to reorder, and how many units he needs for meeting his customer demand. Tom is no longer worried because he now relies on the right tool. Intuendi releases you from manual work and poor planning and takes your business to the next level. Get your free trial today and increase your sales and margin with Intuendi Inventory Optimization. Intuendi. Plan a successful future for your business.